In this video, you will learn about embeddings. We will be using Hugging Face embeddings, and embeddings are numerical representations of words, phrases, or documents that capture semantic meaning. That means if we have a text, we have to convert that text into a number so that it can capture the semantic meaning of that text. And these representations are typically dense factors, meaning they contain only real valued numbers for each dimension, as opposed to sparse vectors where we see that it mostly contains zero values. Now let's import embeddings. I will write here from, or first I will import OS, then from getPass import getPass, then from LangChain underscore community dot embeddings import Hugging Face embeddings. Let us execute our code. You can also use OpenAI embeddings, but that will cost you money. You should have some API keys for that. And these Hugging Face embeddings are free, so we don't need to pay anything for these embeddings. Now I'm going to create this environment variable, and I will write here Hugging Face hub underscore API underscore token, where we are going to pass the Hugging Face API token, and this should be same as it is. You cannot change it, otherwise you will get error. Then I will call this getPass that we imported, and this will hide our API key so that nobody can see. Now let us execute our code, and it is asking for API key. I will go to this Hugging Face. I'll copy this from here, and then I will paste it and press enter. Now I'm going to set this environment variable. After saving the key, I will write here os.envir and then bracket. Then I will just copy this from here and put it in single or double quotes, and then I'll assign this as it is. Now let us execute our code. Now we are going to create a class or the object of this class Hugging Face embeddings. I will make an object embeddings, and then I will call this Hugging Face embeddings. So we have this object here, and if I print this object, it is still executing, you can see here. And once the execution is completed, I'm going to print this embeddings and see what we get. I'll just copy it from here, and then I will paste it here. So we have this embeddings here, and it has these steps. First one is transformer pooling, then it will normalize, and by default it uses this model sentence transformation or MPNet base version 2. Now I'm going to write one sample text that we are going to embed, that is we are going to convert that text into numbers using this Hugging Face embeddings. I will make an object or a variable text, and I can write anything. For example, I will write here, this is an example text, and then I will print this. So we have this text here, this is an example text, and now we are going to use this embedding model, and we will convert this into a number that will capture the semantic meanings. So I will make a new variable embedded underscore text, and then I will call this object embeddings that we have created here, and then from this I will call the function embed query, and inside this I will pass our text variable. I will write it here, And then now let me print this embedded text. It should give me output as a vector, a dense vector. Now it is converting, and here in the output you can see that we got the embeddings for this text. This is an example text, and this is the numerical representation of this text that we can use further for our model purpose. So this is nothing but a list, and inside this list we have this numerical representations, and these are the embeddings for our text file. So this is how you can use Hugging Face embeddings model to do the embeddings on any text. You just have to create an object, and then you can call that object on any text file. And in the next video, I will show you, I'm going to import a CSV file and I'm going to embed the entire CSV file using the same Hugging Face embedding. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.